Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel and to the daily evening guided meditation to help you wrap up your day, wind up from the activities today, and just set yourself up for a relaxing and good night's sleep. And actually, I really hope that I get one tonight. Some relaxing sleep because I'm exhausted today. We have small children. They had a lot of sleep issues last night. Nobody in this house got good sleep last night, so I'm really tired and I'm really looking forward to some sleep tonight. But that leads into what I've decided to practice tonight, which is just breathing. Because at this point, I don't think I have the focus for anything else. And we're going to have days like that, and we continue to sit on our cushion. We carve out that time for us daily so that we can find some moments of peace on a daily basis. And so if you're new to these daily meditations, then all you're going to need is a comfortable seat, either on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or even going outside and sitting on the ground, and then a place with as few distractions as possible. So if you have both of those, your comfortable seat and your place with minimal distractions, then let's get started. I'm going to set my timer so that I know that I have 10 minutes and I didn't cheat myself on a day that I'm tired. All right, so then I invite you to close your eyes and just start to breathe. And bringing your awareness to your experience of breathing and what it feels like for you today. And there will probably be less talking guidance in this one today. We're just going to be here and breathe. And watching your posture, making sure that your spine is tall, your shoulders back a little bit so that you can open up those lungs and that belly and fully breathe. And if you find yourself thinking about something, then just let that thought go and come back to your breathing. Don't beat yourself up for thinking, just come back to putting your attention on your breathing. thoughts arise. And let those drift away and come back to your breath. Slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to your body. See if you find any places where you're tight or holding tension, or maybe your posture's a little off, like I just found myself slouching a little. And if you do find yourself with tightness or tension, then just try to breathe that out. Relax it out on your exhales. Release. Let thoughts of the day float away for the moment. Any worries or planning for the future, set that aside for these few moments. Just let yourself be here, right now. And check in with your body again. See if you find any tension or holding or tightness, and release that out with your breath, with your exhale. Full breath in, release. Big inhale, release. Whatever tension has been building up in your body, this is the time to let that go, to let that release, to let it out before you finish your day and you go to bed. This will help tremendously in helping you fall asleep and get better quality sleep. If you find your position or your posture causing you a little discomfort, it's okay to move. It's okay to shift. Coming back to your breath. Keep our focus on our breath. Being here in the moment with your breathing. Help you find a little bit of peace in your day. Whatever arises in your mind, just let that float off into the distance. Just breathe. And then we're going to take 5 deep inhales and exhales. Again, releasing any holding or tension in your body. If you notice it in your back or your hips or your shoulders or forehead, anywhere. 5 deep breaths. In and then out. Just come back to your normal pace of breathing, just for 1 more minute. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. And maybe give yourself a little shake. Thank you so much for joining me today virtually as we have this short meditation at the end of the day, and I really appreciate you joining me on a regular basis and leaving feedback. And if you have any comments or questions about the meditations, then make sure to ask them in the comments below, and I can answer any questions you have in future meditations. And I just appreciate your curiosity and your willingness to sit with me each day. And especially in this time of a little bit of stress and anxiety and chaos, that we're taking the time for ourselves to help steady and relax ourselves so that we can be there for ourselves and for our loved ones and for everyone else out there that we care about, so that we're giving ourselves some self-care and attention so we can be fully present for ourselves and everybody else in our lives. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful and peaceful evening. Thank you.